So the Maverick has finally found a way to silence the Lionel Messi fanatics who are still in denial that Messi is a World Cup flop. We find the magic formula. For all the people who claim that Messi is the greatest player and blah, 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 the challenge to you all is this. Messi, having played in 3 World Cup tournaments, 2006, 2010, and 2014, I am challenging any and every Lionel Messi fan, fanatic, and follower. If you can recall one memorable moment produced by Lionel Messi in a big game at the World Cup Finals, not a full game, or even a half a game, not 2 or 3 moments, just tell me one brilliant and memorable moment from Messi in all these World Cup minutes. And we don't reach goal scoring yet. We just want one brilliant moment, one memorable dribble, one piece of breathtaking magic, something really special or unbelievable that Messi has produced for Argentina in a big World Cup game, quarter-final or semi-final or final. Give me one memorable moment. I cannot remember any, but to the semi-bias. So you remind me. I have seen dozens of memorable moments in clippings from Pele, dozens from Maradona, many from Brazilian Ronaldo and from Ronaldinho, many such moments from Zinedine Zidane. But Messi have me brain busting to remember that one memorable moment from this man who them claim say is the greatest player ever. And if you have to be busting your brain, that means the memory is not memorable. The argument done. Messi is a World Cup flop. The argument done.